Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your EMPORIA Smart phone. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store and from here begin the search for an app. Enter Microsoft Edge. Hit the search button. Select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we can open our app and from here begin customization. So you can add an account in order to synchronize other browsers, but I'm gonna do it later. Here you can set up your data sharing preferences, either agree or disagree. I'm gonna disagree and move to the next step. Set your Edge as default browser or click Not Now. I'm gonna select it and then go for Edge. From here our browser should be ready. Let's open any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.